Alright, so we've got a RTEC 3D scanner. It's really high speed, it's fast. You just point and shoot. So we can see the person live on the screen, and I just press the button, and it's just like 3D video. So you can see him on the screen. As you can see, we can scan at really high speed, going across. It also scans in colour, so we can apply the colour through there and do 3D colour. Basic colour there, which we apply afterwards to the scan. So that might take, in this stage we'll do it quickly, hopefully within about 30 seconds to a minute.
So following the scan, we take the file into Geomagic, which is a 3D systems program. Once we've stitched it all together, then we take it over to our Project X60 series, where we'll do a full colour print of a person or a product or anything. And if we go and have a look now, we've got one we prepared earlier, which is a young man in his football gear. We are in Victoria, so he's an AFL player, and maybe we can have a quick look now.